Good afternoon, students. Myself, Mrs. Ritu, working as Extension Lecturer in Government PG College, Sindh. Today we are discussing the topic Cancer Biology. It comes in your paper 2nd, section B. First of all, we should know about cancer. Cancer is a disease where cells grow out of control and invade, erode and destroy normal tissue. Then this slide shows normal body cells grow, divide and die in an orderly fashion. But in cancer cells this is different because they do not die, they just continue to grow and divide in a disorderly fashion. Then next, cancer can occur at any age, but 67% of cancer deaths occur in people older than 65 years. Next is the cancer statistics. After heart disease, cancer comes, which causes death percentage more. So first comes the heart disease where death percentage is more, and after that the cancer comes. Then next is there are two types of tumor. First is the malignant tumors, then is the benign tumors. In malignant tumors, they spread to other areas in the body, and the benign tumors stay in one place. Now the difference between the malignant tumor and benign tumor. In malignant tumor, rate of growth is rapid, and in the other, growth is slow. Then in malignant tumor, nature of growth, it invades the surrounding tissue, and in the other it expands in the same tissue. Then the spread. In malignant tumor, it metastasizes via the bloodstream and the lymphatic system, and in the benign tumor it does not spread. Then the cell differentiation. In malignant tumor usually poor, and in benign tumor nearly normal. Then come to the next slide. Common environmental factors leading to cancer death. It includes tobacco 25 to 30%, then the diet and obesity 30 to 35%, then infections 15 to 20%, and after that the radiation, stress, lack of physical activity and environment pollutant comes. Then the causes. First is the benzene and other chemicals, then the drinking excess alcohol, environmental toxins such as certain poisonous mushrooms and a type of poison that can grow on peanut plants, alpha toxins. Then the excessive sunlight exposure, genetic problems, obesity, radiation and viruses. So these can be the causes for cancer. Next is the common cancer types. It can be bladder cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, melanoma, colon and rectal cancer, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, endometrial cancer, pancreatic cancer, kidney or renal cell cancer, prostate cancer, thyroid cancer and leukemia or blood cancer. At the world level, breast cancer is most common cancer type. In India, most common cancer type of human males is mouth throat cancer, while that of human female is uterine cervical cancer. Then next is the test for cancer. It can be biopsy of the tumor, then the blood test, which look for chemicals such as a tumor markers, then the bone marrow biopsy for lymphoma or leukemia, chest x-ray, complete blood count or CBC, CT scan, liver function test and MRI scan. Then next is the treatment and prevention. So first we are doing its treatment. It can be treated by surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, targeted cancer treatments, small molecule inhibitors, antibodies, cell-based immunotherapy, gene therapy. Now we are discussing in detail. First, chemotherapy. In chemotherapy, drugs used to kill cancer cells disrupt some aspects of cell division. Then the toxins to healthy cells, hair, bone marrow, lymphocytes and epithelial cells of intestinal lining. Side effects include hair loss, nausea, vomiting and reduced immune responses. So this is how the chemotherapy works. Then next is the radiation therapy. In this, high energy rays are used to kill cancer cells, stop them from growing and dividing. Radiotherapy is a local treatment. It can affect cancer cells only in the treated area. And the side effects can be tiredness, skin reactions such as rash or redness and loss of appetite, temporary lowering of the WBC count. Then next comes the surgery therapy. In localized cancer surgery, typically attempts to remove the entire mass. Then the biological therapy or immunotherapy. In this, monoclonal antibodies, interferon, interleukin 2 and colony stimulating factors can be used. Side effects: temporary flu-like symptoms such as fever and chills, muscle aches and weakness, loss of appetite and diarrhea. Next is the recently launched drugs. There are many drugs. First is the axitinib, Inlyta, for advanced kidney cancer. Then is the vismodegib for advanced basal cell carcinoma. Then carfilzomib for multiple myeloma. Then Jadivi aflibercept is a combination with chemotherapy for metastatic colon cancer. The next is the regorafenib for metastatic colorectal cancer. Then next is the prevention for cancer. It can be prevented by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, limiting alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, minimizing your exposure to radiation and toxic chemicals, non-smoking or chewing tobacco, reducing sun exposure, especially if you burn easily. So by this, we can prevent the spreading of cancer. Then next is the conclusion. Hence, cancer is second leading cause of deaths following heart disease. One should care about its prevention before the occurrence of disease by various examinations, and if disease is already exists, then one should go for its regular treatment. Recent treatment mainly includes radiation therapy, cell-based immunotherapy, gene therapy, chemotherapy are most widely used methods used for treatment of various types of cancers. So this is all about the cancer. Thank you.